Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. If it's not, hey girl, take a seat. But if it's your first time, make sure you hit that bell, you subscribe, you join the family, because we get to comment over here, okay? Put some lip gloss on because my lips look so dry. So today we are doing a all Morphe makeup routine. I'ma just say disclaimer before we even start. I believe my brushes will not all be Morphe because I don't know, I didn't think to get all Morphe brushes, but I did get all Morphe products. Some stuff I did not get from Morphe, so I will not use that in this video, so keep on watching. I already primed my skin and I used the Bobbi Brown vitamin rich face base, and I used that because I didn't even think to get a primer for Morphe. I don't know why, but so it's been on my face for a little minute now. I am gonna go in with my Morphe foundation. If you guys did not watch the review on this, I suggest you like stop this video and go watch it because I did a whole full video and I am in the shade Rich 31. I'm gonna be using my Morphe 439. I feel like this foundation oxidizes a lot because I had a darker shade and it was just too dark, and this shade is like the perfect shade for me. Okay, this is my first step foundation. I'm looking real on camera, I am, but like it looks perfect. Next, I am going to conceal. This is my first time using these concealers. This is the Morphe Fluidity full coverage concealer, and I got two shades. I have C 2.35 and I have C 4.25. So I'm gonna go in with the darker shade first and highlight. Okay, so I'm gonna take my beauty blender today and blend this out because I feel like I went a little bit too OD on this concealer. So I'm taking this out. This concealer, child, I didn't think it was gonna give me this. Okay, so I am gonna take my foundation brush and I am gonna blend the edges of this just so it could be a nice seamless blend. I mean, this foundation with this concealer, because the concealer, the foundation is so dewy and it's so sheer. This concealer is just gonna come in and just give you all the coverage you need. So even though that concealer is like giving me everything, I am going to take C.25. This one is really bright, and I'm just gonna give me just like a little bit right here. Okay guys, so I'm taking that beauty blender and blend this out. Okay, wait, like I literally have to look this up. Let's see, cause wait, hold on. Fluidity concealer. What is the description of this? Is 16-hour long wear, sweat proof, transfer resistant, water resistance, free of fragrance, and sis, like I'm not mad. Like, do y'all see this? Okay, you're gonna have to go in my favorites. Okay, Morphe. Set underneath my eyes, I'm gonna be using the Morphe Bacon Set in Banana. You guys have seen this on my channel a couple of times lately. It's bomb. And I'm gonna take my beauty blender, tap the excess off, and set. Do y'all see this? Wow, Morphe. I am like shockingly shocked. Like seriously, like for real. No play. Like look at this. Go and get the Morphe Glamour Bronze Face and Body Bronzer, and this is in the shade Leader. I believe I had this before, but I just couldn't get jiggy with it. Like I couldn't. I don't know why. I think I returned it. So here we go again. I don't know if I had this shade, but here we go. I felt like it was pretty, but it was just too dark. Like, as you can see, like, it's giving me very much redness. Okay, so I mean, it's looking good, but I'll, you know, with all these lighting, anything might look good right now. Into my setting powder and just literally go right here to try and just clean up a little bit of that contour that I placed everywhere. It's giving me very much bronze. It's giving me very much skin like in the summer. Like, oh my god. I think I should go like down one shade though, like, because this is like a lot going on with this. I'm not mad at my face at all right now, like, seriously. I'm taking my Morphe Luminous setting spray. You guys know this is like just my jam. Any dust, like dust powdery look off my face. What? Sis, I am shook. Okay, you guys know I'm gonna do my brows and then I'm gonna come back because I cannot do my brows on camera because sis, they take me so long. Okay guys, so now that I have my lashes and everything on, I am gonna go back into my bronzer and I'm just gonna go one more time just to kind of get that bronzy look. Like, I am not mad at my face right now. I am really not. I love to do like my under eye. And I did get, where is it? Get the Morphe Filter Effect pressed bronzer, and I heard really good things about this. So I had the shade Filter 8, and I am gonna go in, and you guys know I'm gonna set underneath my eyes. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. I've been hearing so many good things about this, and I was like, let me try it. Wow, can you see? Oh wow. Okay. Morphe 1773 brush, and I'm gonna go back into that bronzer, and I'm gonna literally another Morphe palette, and this is in Filter 12. This is like a pressed powder for all over my face. And I got the Morphe, what else is this? The Morphe 462 brush. It's a powder brush, but I don't know why I thought this was saying like a all over powder brush, but look at the bristles. Like, you can you even see that? Like, look at the bristles. I thought it was like an all over powder brush. So I am gonna use this. Now, I heard a lot of great things about this powder. Okay, so this not gonna work for me. Real Techniques beat up brush. Do y'all see this? Like, wow. Morphe. Oh wow, this is stunning, like stunning. And I did get a new blush palette, AW, the Warm Master in AW. Like, look at it. Oh, so pretty. Brush. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am so shocked by Morphe right now. I can't believe my face is this pretty right now. I don't even know why I'm shocked by Morphe, because Morphe been dropping. They've been dropping some heat lately. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to join the family. This is probably like your third or fourth video by now, so you might as well join the family. Click the notification bell. Don't miss the post. Just join the family. I would say follow me on Instagram, but I am currently hacked. I am trying to work and get my Instagram back right now as we speak. So hopefully, praying by the next video, my Instagram will be back. Follow me on TikTok. I will leave everything down below that I used. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for everything. Bye.